Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting now. Open the document and go straight to the Layout or Page Layout tab. Click Orientation and pick Landscape so the page turns sideways. This immediately changes layout. If you only want selected pages changed, insert a section break, Next Page, first, then set orientation and choose Apply to this section. Once done, make sure the change affected the pages you intended before moving on to margin or content adjustments. Now refine the middle steps. Adjust page size and margins so text and graphics sit correctly in landscape. If different pages need different headers or footers, unlink sections and edit each header/footer independently, otherwise edits will repeat. For embedded items, rotate or resize tables, charts, and images so they don't spill off the page. Once you've balanced margins and content, use Print Preview to scan every section and confirm your landscape pages read and print. Finish by previewing and saving. Use Print Preview, then export to PDF to preserve landscape formatting across devices. Make sure headers, page numbers, and footnotes align after export. If a page won't switch to landscape, check for hidden or conflicting section breaks and remove or reinsert a proper next page section break. Then reapply orientation to that section. Also, if you're in compatibility mode, save a copy as docx so all layout features work correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.